What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on your iPhone like this. Sometimes when you try to sign out it might be available. If that is the case, how we can fix it? So let me directly move to this step. So the first one, what we need to do is if you're having the trouble, what we have to do is just go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to screen time. And over here you have to scroll down and navigate to content and privacy restrictions. So if the content and privacy restriction is turned on, what we need to do is we just need to go over here and turn this off. And you have to check whether you are able to fix the issue or not. So if you're having the trouble with the same and if it's not fixed, the next step is all about we have to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So to do a forced restart on your iPhone, you have to press volume up followed by volume down. And you have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So just go over here, press the volume up followed by volume down, press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. Once you're back, just log into your iPhone. Just go back over here in the settings. Now from here, go at the top and tap on the profile icon. And if you scroll down, you can see right now we have option with the sign out where you can do the sign out. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.